in a Kingston guns, them not discreet. Hustle the money, no funny feet. Spy if he die right, them off that the least. I am dogs with the crocodile teeth.
N.S.G I bring a brand new vibe in N.S.G reviews are the baddest, you see?
Ring that notification bell and leave a comment.
N.S.G reviews book at it, so you don't know. Big up to my viewers, big up to my subscribers. And if you're not subscribed yet, you know what to do. Just hit that subscribe button in order to become a patron. This week we have seen brand new videos drop from recording artists based in London, UK. You go by the name of Big Zeeks, also Ricardo Rawal with How Them Do It brand new music video. Hey, don't know, we got the Crocodile them from the south. You go by the name of Sydon, bad artist. Hey, don't know, G Maffiah burning up the airwaves, burning up over America. You know the thing going on, people. Also there's video from Bounty Killer, Busy Signal and friends vibing in studio.
You deaf? Me not inna them, cause my shot of them are the real men. And my shot of them not inna friend. Dog, me not inna them, cause enough of them no want see a win again. Me kill them with love, come on a winner man. Yo, me not inna them. Happy pre my breakfast, lunch and me dinner them. Stacks up a fat can't make that.
Yo, the Fresh Prince of Alls then, Big Zeeks himself. Me not inna them, track entitled with a brand new music video. If you see this video, you can see the Prince of Alls and the youth just look cool and do him thing. And just make bad mind people, hypocrite people. People will not have no upliftment. I make them know say, yo, 2021 is a different year and me not in a honor.
Whole heap a killer them, no young like fully but no old like killer them. Me not in a dirty barbarian, me not in a hypocrite and parasite, me not in a, me not in a, we not in a. Me I feel live my life, me not in a. No look, no strike, me not in a. 5-star general for life, me not, me not.
Fresh Kid, the Prince of Alzen, Big Zeeks, never fail, always deliver. Cool, calm and collective on this beat. Big up the beat maker for that one, yeah. You know the thing going on. 2021 Big Zeeks, I make you know say, yo, if you don't dep on theme level, I better only just step aside. UK-based recording artist go by the name of Sydon, bad artist, the Crocodile. We have seen recently Sydon, the bad artist, the Crocodile, drop his brand new music video for the track entitled Frozen. This is a direct diss track at Spooky Brain Tear. And people, if you never know what really start this lyrical warfare or this conflict, make we take one step forward.
So look out
no.
for a second round versus and a third round versus and fourth round versus. You know what I mean?
So who in England now do that?
We have some. We know some artists. We know.
All in on the set. You hear that?
So yeah.
You see it on stage. I bought this thing, this brother.
See there, when you just get a flash forward. You get what I mean? So if you never watch the UK Versus, when you need to look at my previous videos that I cover for the UK Versus with Shanty Force and Brain Tear Spooky, or you can see the full video over there at Starpoint YouTube channel. You know, I will put the link where you can find that. I guess from Brain Tear Spooky making that comment on the UK Versus stage, I guess Sydon decide, yo, him have to make a step to the artist. When you know what the first diss track was, if you don't know, me I go put the link where you can find it. Go over there and listen or watch previous video, you know what I mean? So here you know, make you check out Frozen, the official video from Sydon, and then we'll forward back.
Tear side no cold, freeze I don't know them. If you them are chilly then feel we frozen. Press up is 17 gun chop about them. Brawling me go lame dead in the open. I sing my bad spread, we no bone men. Circus and Leo watch it look clown them. Brand new rifle ready fi go sound them. One song make them sing about 10. Laughing with them look my relief.
This is strictly lyrical warfare between Sydon, the bad artist, the Crocodile, and Brain Tear Spooky over the tier side. You know what I mean? So people, we don't know what to do, you know. If you don't want to find out what the artists them say about each other and how the track go or who lead the lyrical warfare, you don't know what to do.
From a war man deal with it, drop it up, bullet catching your gun in a hand and me a crop it up. Murder Spooky, goofy and kill the fit up, bullet in the ass of August, be fire when the bomber bust. And them now kill nobody, them a tell lie. You now have the career when me feel red eye. Now get no views, so my this suggest spike up a shot and that in the bedtime. Nothing with them, look at my...
Nah, lie the artist, dark up the beat, but here you know, me nah go tell you no who a lead, you know. You nah forgot do that to yourself, just go over the two artists them page and listen to the song them and leave in a comment. Now we have seen the official release of the music video for How Them Do It, song entitled by Ricardo Rawal. So people, but nah lie, I like how the video you look, I like the settings. So here we make you check it out, hear what the artist say, and then we'll forward back.
Nights in a sleep, but alone flossing when them touch straight. Them is a freeze, mama fridge empty. Them hole full of carrot, mama belly empty. Them a chop hard, mama can't buy stocks. Them a pose with the rocks, mama bed one black. Them timepiece, cause 100 G's. And them a that down chop a kettle, people tea. Them a iPhone, them money enough and them mother she a dead for young girl. Them a iPhone, them money enough and them mother she a dead for young girl. But how you feel?
UK-based recording artist go by the name of Ricardo Rawal with his brand new official music video for the track entitled How Them Do It. People, you know, so we covered that track here previously on previous show. If you don't know, you need to check them out, you know what I mean? But here we know, we like the settings and we like the direction where the UK artists them and move in a dancehall look good. More from the official video.
How them slave. Can't up on my mother hungry. Floss every day and mama cover them. Mama call for your thing, them no answer. But if money pull up, them ready for sponsor. Find it hard for mama live like star. When month ten come, mama and they a job. But them y'all never yet in a renter race. I bills them I she off it partner. Them a iPhone, them money enough and them mother she a dead for younger.
Viewers and subscribers, just do the right thing. Just go over the artist page and leave in a comment under the artist video, you know what I mean? Ricardo Rawal, brand new official music video, How Them Do It. Nah lie, the thing look good. So you know the thing going up, burning up the airwaves in the UK, and right now, me that said the official #1 dancehall track in the UK right now. Song called Wooiee. You know what I mean? All courtesy of G Maffiah, produced by the Dark Charms Records. So here are people. Let's take a look at some new music video where we think are gonna be some banger in the streets and in the club them. This one, you know what I mean, brand new from Busy Signal and Bounty Killer. Watch how the artists are vibing at the studio. People, check it out.
Me up them girl a check me right now on the Uber. Say she want to ride it like a scooter, like a scooter. Bust the gun from me side, the intruder. Boat him run go through, circling through a Ruger. Bust the Ruger, yes sir. Bang, 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 bang.
Now, from you see the vibe going in the studio, you must know, say, yo, this is going to be a banger in the street and everywhere you go. Once the place fly up, you know what I mean? Busy Signal, Bounty Killer. Who knows? You might even find the official video dropping soon. So people, out right now, you know what going on.
Roll up in the fat poop, wooiee. Thick fat Kyle, wooiee. The style I kill them, wooiee. Watch it girl them a pre-me, wooiee.
Official music video drop for Wooiee, courtesy of G Maffiah, produced by the Dark Charms Record. People, this song right now making some serious moves in the dancehall space, so support the artist. You don't know the song is available to purchase on all digital platform, so you know what to do. So you don't know the thing going on. If you like this video, just like, share, comment, and you don't know, please subscribe to this channel for more awesome content. You know I'm out.
N.S.G reviews the best, and we bring the best reviews. We the best. From a song shot, them drop it like a habit. Dancehall, hip hop, any topic. Song or video, we will do the rest. Quick, fast, subscribe, you know. Comment on the video, them share, like, you know. N.S.G I bring a brand new vibe, you know. N.S.G reviews are the baddest, you see?
Ring that notification bell and leave a comment.